With the SPRSUN Hip Hop, you can control it remotely over Wi-Fi, anytime, anywhere. Next, we will walk you through connecting the Wi-Fi module step by step.
This is the Wi-Fi module. Here's communication button, the communication port, and the power input. This is the power module. Start by connecting the power module to the power port. Next, plug the communication cable into the communication port. Then, connect the power plug to an outlet. Now, back to the Wi-Fi module. You can see the power line is on. Open the app you have downloaded and log in. Tap End Device in the top left corner. Enter the password for the Wi-Fi network your phone is using. Then, press the communication button on the module's cable. Once the indicator light starts flashing repeatedly, tap the Connect in the app and wait for the module to link up. Inside the app, you can switch between modes. For example, transfer from cooling to heating and turn the heat pump on or off. You can also enter the settings to adjust temperatures, modes, and other best options. Here you can view real-time operation data, enable equal mode, or modify engineering parameters. For more about our heat pump products, please visit us at SPRSUN.com.